Welcome back everyone! Here I have another tutorial. The materials I'm going to be using is a 4B pencil, an eraser stick, a paper stump or blender, a ruler, and a circular object. First, trace out the circle and mark a large dot in the center. Then use a ruler to draw a line above the dot. Then mark on both sides of the circle. The distance of these two marks from the center should be the same as the diameter of the circle. Now draw a line below the center dot connecting the two marks. At this point, start drawing the eye. Leave a little space at the top and connect the bottom part of the eye to the circle at any point. The top lid should touch at the mark drawn earlier, right here. Then, draw a smaller circle below the line, slightly extending beyond the mark, and finish off the eye. Now, I'm sharpening the bottom line and adding a curve right here. Also, go ahead and darken the top lid. From the center of the top line, draw a circle. This is the pupil. Now draw an oval on top, and this is the highlight. Go ahead and erase all the guidelines. Then leave a little space at the top and draw an eye fold. Now draw a line below the eye, keeping the same shape as the one above it. Merge this line into the first one as shown. Now, start darkening the shown areas. In the iris, make strokes like this all around the outer and inner circle. The middle area should be lighter. A general rule is that the top of the iris is darker because of the shadow from the eyelid. Now build layers and darken up the shown areas. For the fold, start shading near the line. Then use a paper stump and blend it out. Once blended, redraw the fold. Now erase the outer part of the iris and blend it out. Also blend the white areas in the eye. Shade darker near the top and lighter as you go down, like a gradient. Erase the area between the lines on the bottom. Now darken the end of the eye and blend. Also blend out the pupil and use an eraser to make lines for details. Alternate between a pencil and a paper stump to blend out and darken the shown areas. Then use an eraser and make lines on the eyelid for a skin effect. Now, time for the eyelashes. I will be showing you a general rule for the direction of the eyelashes. Anything on the right will be curved like this. Anything on the left will be curved like this. And the center will have straight strokes. The same concept goes for the bottom eyelashes, but these ones are shorter. Let's apply the same method on the drawing, but with much more eyelashes. Then add strokes in the highlight to show the reflection of the eyelashes. Thank you for watching, and if you learned something from this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, you can check out the other videos I have for more tutorials.